Now,
this. We'll
you gotta look.
Like the
What do you see? Do you see anything in there? Is there anything in there?
Everything.
Well, you buy it.
Look in there. Can you see in there? What's in there? What's, no, hold.
Yeah.
No, you don't see anything? Let me see if I see anything. Let me see if I see anything.
You could do sit down.
What do you see?
$1.50 difference.
Do you see something in there?
Yeah.
Woo!
Excellent.
I don't know. Let me look. Let me look again.
What do you
Did you see in there?
Is that Uncle Eric?
No, we did that for my sisters.
We did, we had buffets down. I mean, it was nice, but, I mean, we had really good, our food was excellent.
Hey, I want to see me.
You want to see you?
Excellent.
Okay.
Food was
Well, first you gotta make a funny face.
He's been going around taking pictures of everything. I just see it. I'm like,
well, you,
And then
I
you
mean,
gotta
worked
like
your job.
go blah, 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 blah.
Three jobs.
And then you gotta go.
yeah, but he's been really sweet about
Eric's
it.
not a happy girl when it comes to stuff
All
like
right.
this.
Okay, so
I want to see.
you want to see you? Okay, is that you right there?
Which is good.
Have you gone looking at dresses yet?
Is that you?
Yeah.
Is that you?
No.
We're,
At David's bridal.
So is it me?
I wanna go.
Do you want to come with me? It's November 19th. And
Okay.
the lady was
Here you go.
like,
Say goodbye.
ma'am, you have to wear